Men's and women's basketball, volleyball, and golf, as well as football, will all be getting new facilities with the funds raised. The baseball and softball fields are getting long-awaited upgrades. Brad Edmondson, Director of Athletics Development, believes these changes are crucial for growth.
And this is really telling our current students, our future students, and our alumni that our physical plan is important. And that we want to be, top-notch on every single level.
Student athletes, like men's volleyball player Julian Welsh White, think the upgrades are exciting for the campus, not just for athletes.
I think it's important because it just makes our campus look better. We're expanding a little bit more. We're getting people to see that we're building as not as a community, but as a campus as a whole too.
Student Kayla Crandall thinks the new facilities could possibly improve the athletes' game too.
Nobody really likes to support like a losing team. I think that's of a running joke. Is Ball State going to win a game this year? So, I think that would help a lot.
Renovations like this new turf have already started on the baseball and softball fields, and the construction has already begun on the new football complex. Ball State has underwent a lot of development in recent years to improve the university in other aspects as well.
If you walk around this campus as an alumnus, from where it was 10 years ago, 15 years ago, I hate to say 20 years ago when I was here, it's amazing, the transformation in the physical plant and what Ball State looks like and how it's changed and grown. And so this is just athletics time to be able to do that.
In Muncie, Kelsey Burr, NewsLink, Indiana.